Hello and happy September! Alam niyo na yan, it's time for the new iPhone 17 series. Apple released iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Air, and iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max. Okay, punta tayo sa iPhone 17. iPhone 17 comes out with a larger 6.3-inch screen with 3,000 nits of brightness. That's 1,000 nits brighter than the previous iPhone. Ngayon, meron ng 120 Hz refresh rate si iPhone 17 with Ceramic Shield 2, which they say is 3 times more resistant to scratches. So, mas scratch-proof siya, mas tatagal na yung iPhone ninyo. Ngayon, punta na tayo sa hinihintay ng lahat, the cameras. iPhone 17 has a 48 megapixel camera, pero ang highlight ng iPhone 17 is the selfie cam, which now features center stage. Center stage, dati tagal na natin hinihintay, ang ganda niya sa iPads. Ngayon, it's now available on the iPhone, and it also works horizontally and vertically. And what makes it all work is the new A19 chip, which makes iPhone 17 faster and have better AI performance. Plus, meron pa rin siyang all-day battery. At punta naman tayo sa iPhone Air. The slimmest iPhone at 5.6mm. Pero huwag kang mag-alala, it comes with a titanium body for that durability. iPhone Air also comes with a 120Hz display, pero mas malaki yung screen niya at 6.5 inches. iPhone Air comes with the A19 Pro chip, so mas malakas yung processor niya compared to iPhone 17. And it can last up to 40 hours of video playback. So 40 hours na tuloy-tuloy manunod ka, mahaba pa rin yun. And now for the highlight of the event, iPhone 17 Pro and 17 Pro Max, which are both so visually distinct from previous iPhone models. But also, it comes with a new aluminum unibody construction for that robustness. Syempre, Apple will boast its camera performance. iPhone 17 Pro and 17 Pro Max now have an 8x optical zoom, which can output Apple ProRes and Apple Log 2. Apple is also trying to get more gamers on their side, boasting gaming performance sa A19 Pro chip. But syempre, all that work, all that processing generates heat. Kaya naman, they now have a vapor chamber cooling system to cool down the processor and keep you going whether it's camera or gaming. And that's the new iPhone 17 series. Let us know your thoughts at kung upgrade na ba kayo sa comments. And don't forget to follow Kimstar on all platforms.